Good morning, students. Okay, today in our class, where e-commerce, we can see the business to business, B to B. Okay, the previous class we have seen B to C as business to customers. Okay, today in this class we can see how they are doing business to business through the e-commerce. Okay, and it is a B2B is a model of the e-commerce where a company will conduct its trading and other commercial activity through the internet, and the customer is another business itself. Okay, here a person who is involved in not a person, a business what uh, any activity, a particular activity is doing as in a form of business will be a deal with than another business. Okay, for example, if you take some car manufacturing company or mobile manufacturing company, here all the not all the parts will be manufactured in the same factory. Okay, so here what they do, somehow most of the parts they will buy from the another companies. Okay, some seats, if it is example some tires, okay, seat covers, mirrors, okay, likewise many small parts or big parts will be get it from the another company. Okay, how they have how they will have a mutual understanding, and they will do this business through what internet. Okay, they can connect and various activities through the business, that is a business to a business. Here a customer is who is saying as what another persons who is giving raw materials or some parts to a particular big company or another small company can be said as another customer. Okay, that means two or more companies have been exchanging or a means of activity, commercial activity. They are doing some commercial activity by exchanging the products or so on. Okay, that's why we can say it is a business to a business activity here. Okay. And here there are major advantages of business to business. Here there have been a direct interaction with a customers. Okay, this is the main advantage of e-business, that the unknown and the faceless customer, including other business, buying the product of a what large MNC. That means a particular product can buy another big product produces. Okay, so here an MNC like HCL or HLL or Procter and Gamble, Hindustan River Limited. Okay, and such kinds of business persons will shops and like now has the name, face and a profile, and they will have a communication with the another business in a form of what a e-business. Okay, and here another advantage is focused sales promotion. Okay, what it means, man, the information gives authentic data about the likes, dislike, and preference of clients, and thus help the company bring out focused sales promotion drives which are aimed at the right audience. Okay, that means the information gives authentic data about the likes, dislikes, and preference of the clients, and thus help the company bring out focused sales promotion. Okay, they can promote their what business. Okay, they can focus their what a sales promotion towards the another company. Okay, by using the internet or through e-business. One company will what that a client company will help bring what will have a what understanding with the its mother company or some other main companies. Okay, they may be promote the sales, okay, drives. Okay, and so the audience can be what have a choice of what that particular product can have a choice there. And next one, building customer loyalty. And here the customers, online customers, can be more loyal than other customers. Okay, if they are made to feel special and their distinct identity is recognized and their concern about privacy are respected. And here it has been found that once the customers develop a binding relationship with a site and its product, they do not like to ship loyalties to others. Okay, here building customer loyalty, what they mean is, it is observed that here online customers have been loyal than other customers. Okay, that means the customers who are ordering or buying some products through online, they have been a loyalty on of then they have given but more loyalty than the other customers. Okay, and they will recognize their what, privacy, and they recognize the concerns. And it has been found that once the customers develop a binding relationship with their site and its product, they do not like to ship loyalties to another site or product. Okay, what it means is, if you like to buy a particular products in you take the example on Amazon. If you will be usually do all kinds of what purchasing through the Amazon only. That means if you like, it's what the way of searching or the way of displaying the items. Okay, the way of paying the money. Okay, how they are responding to you, how the delivery, how they have been delivering, this all will what make impress you to do more and more what purchasing in the same site. Okay, you will not go for the another site. Okay, that is, they will build such a loyalty towards the customer. And scalability, and here we will say the web is open and offers round the clock access. That means it provides an access never known before to the customer. And here the access is across locations and time zone. Thus a company is able to handle many more customers on a much wider geographical spread if it is just a e-business model. Okay, what they mean is, scalability means how much lengthily they are spreading their business. Okay, some years before the Amazon, they have give the products only on America only. Okay, later that they have extend their what e-business throughout the world, throughout the globe. Okay, anywhere anybody can order from the Amazons and they can get it there in their own area. Okay, nearby area. Okay, some years before in our area we don't have an Amazon.com. Only cities have the what the facilities of online purchasing. But now every nook and corner what online business have been what elaborated. Okay, that means they have been what uh, elaborated their business throughout the world. That's why we can say it as what the scalability. And saving in distribution cost, here a company can make huge saving in distribution, logistics, and after sales support cost by using e-business model. Okay, here by using some e-business model, they can save huge saving in distribution and to storing, that is logistics, that is communication, transportation, and after sales supports, that can be done through, that is in a very minimum cost there. Okay, these examples are the computer companies, the airlines, and telecom companies. Okay, this is because e-business model involve the customer in the business interaction to such a level that companies are able to avoid setting up huge backbone of sales and support force. Okay, but actually what a company have to do, they have to have a very big goal on that backbone of sales and support force. Okay, then only they can, their product will reach throughout the world. Okay, but here in the e-business, they may have what their products which have been in our local area itself. Okay, when we order a mobile from in Amazon on India, but sometimes their head office may be in Chennai, Delhi or Bangalore or Delhi, sorry, Mumbai, and but at the same time the products will be some throughout the what India. There will be their hub will be there. Okay, air distribution, that is the Chennai have the hub. Okay, Trichy or Madurai have it. When we order a mobile, it will not come from the Delhi. Sometimes it may come from Chennai or Bangalore, or they will what distribute it. Okay, so that cost will be what saved by transporting such kinds of what things to the customer. Distribution of the cost will be what saved here. Okay. Okay, next we can see the tools and techniques at the disposal of business to business enterprises. Here it is important to know the right market strategies, how things have to be sold successfully and profitability around the world. Okay, through the web, and here web is a what medium provides with an unique platform to enable various strategies. Okay, here some of this can be said as use of pricing as a tool. Okay, it means there is a wealth of research on pricing used as a tool to generate sales on the internet. This they may take research on how much a price have been can be fixed for a particular what items. Okay, and for that they will make a tool inside in the internet, and the biggest retailer trailer is Amazon.com. Make it what make giving substantial discounts. Okay, and at the same time heavy discounts will be what announced by Amazon or Flipkart or Snapdeal and so on. Okay, during festival seasons and so on. Okay, that means how much they have been passed on to the customer. Okay, and here companies have started giving things free on the internet in order to get a critical mass of what subscribers. Okay, for that they will give what a free on they will sometimes they announce some things as what free. Okay, if you are purchasing a mobile case cover will be free. Okay, sometimes okay flip cover will be free, and sometimes most of the things they will make what they will give us free. Okay, that means this according to the free, sometimes they may increase the what the product's price. Okay, but some meantime they have what sometimes adjust in the particular product itself. Okay, the price for the particular product itself. Okay, that is a marketing strategy, their business marketing strategy. Okay, not at all they will give free to the customers. Okay, if they are giving free meals, sometimes they will what increase the price of the what main product there. And next one, use of application service provider model. Okay, here in 1990s, which they have been used mainframes and some other terminals, thumb terminals and so on, and some software companies are offering their packages not in CDs and boxes but through the web. Okay, here the customer can log in over the internet and access the software from the web server of the company and need not download it into its PC. Here this goes one step further in the age of the network PC, where one need not use even a hard disk, and all critical application data is kept on the web and can be accessed from anywhere in the world. Okay, here Sometimes the some of the applications will be provided by the service providers in order to access the what internet and the software from the web server of a particular company, and they can use it, okay, into his PC. There is no need for what downloading. We can open the www.amazon.com in a website itself, and we can open and do what purchase anything there, okay. And here the another point is tools is use of generic model, okay, that is which have been used for known for efficiency as well as personalized attention to various business customers. And here some of the companies which they what have been said to be partnership between brick and mortar manufacturers, e-tailers, and express delivery companies, okay, they have been what take care of the individual element of the customer and the order fulfillment and the post sale complaints, okay. Here they have a partnership between, okay, if a product have to be sold, where the product is coming, who is transporting and who is delivering, and after delivered who is servicing that product, all have been a form of what some generic model, okay, that is defined here, okay. And use of what comparison shopping, okay, through this internet there is a new concept of what price matching and comparison shopping, okay. There are many sites are there to match the various models price, okay, which one is better, it will match the price, it will match the configuration, okay, according to each configuration it will what compare it, and we can identify which one is the best by comparing the other product or other what specification, and we can buy the cheapest what products there according to your specification, okay. That is a it is a kind of what a comparison shopping there, okay. So these are the various tools and techniques of the what business to business what features. And here business to business transaction and model, okay. Here various transaction, it involve much more complexity than the business to customer, okay. Here there are various transaction and the following steps have been given. What are the steps here? Review catalogs, identify specification, define requirements, post request for proposal, review vendor reputation, select vendor, fill out purchase order, send PO to vendor, prepare invoice, make payment, arrange shipment, organize product inspection and reception, okay. These are the various transaction, okay, which have been included between a business to business, okay. Here most of the models or classification can be proposed for this business to business commerce, okay. Okay, here in our next page we have here what a figure which will represent the what business to business marketplace, okay. And here this a model could be said to be a vertical market. What we mean by vertical market is the wholesale trading, chemicals, construction and electronics, okay, all are said to be what vertical market, and the supply and logistics are the horizontal market or approach, okay. Vertical approach is what the wholesale trade, maybe chemicals or constructions or electronics or anything, and whatever it is supply, we supply and logistics is said to be what a horizontal approach here, okay. And here this is the figure what I have said, the business to business marketplace. The my buyers are there, within the buyers and sellers what is happening inside the site, okay, it is inside the marketplace, and aggregators will be there, hubs, auctions, community and contents, okay, are there, okay. Let us see one by one here. These are the various models. Okay, what do you mean by aggregators? Aggregators, it is nothing but an aggregation model. One company aggregates buyers to form a virtual buying entity or aggregates suppliers to constitute a virtual distributor. Okay, for example, in a science marketplace, one company become the central buying location for thousands of buyers to implement their own purchasing rules and obtain volume discounts. Here, these aggregators take the responsibility for selection and fulfillment, pricing, and marketing segmentation. And another some examples what they can be said that in an electronic company that offers a total home buying service from search to financing under one site. Okay, there are nothing but like a brokers. Okay, they are acting in between what the buyers and the what the virtual distributor. Virtual distributor, the what is what how they have to be displayed on the system. Okay, this kind of model. A company aggregates buyers to form a virtual buying entity. Okay, uh, if we are the buyers, they will form a what aggregate to a particular company by virtually, and it aggregate supplies to constitute a virtual distributor. Okay, they will show on the screen virtually, they will show or demonstrate what they are going to sell. Okay, we are going to buy or what they are going to sell, all will be done by this what this aggregators. Okay, next one, hubs or process integration. Okay, hubs are what process integration focuses on producing a highly integrated value proposition through a managed process. And what they mean as hubs have been defined as neutral internet based intermediaries that focus on a specific industry or a specific business process. Hubs host electronic markets and create value by reducing the cost of transaction between sellers and buyers. Okay, it is nothing but the hubs what they have been said as um, how they have been focused on producing a highly integrated value proposition through a managed process. There is a neutral internet based intermediaries. Okay, that may be focused on specific industry or a specific business purpose. What the specific industry means, such as energy, steel, telecommunication, and plastics. Okay, some kinds of what specific what um, vertical hubs can be said. And on the other time, financial functional hubs specialize in horizontal markets across different industries. That is, financial hubs focus on business process such as project management and MRO. MRO means maintenance, repair, and operating and procurement. Okay, this are is set as what MRO. Okay, these kinds of hubs will look maintain what maintenance and repairs and what operating and the procurements. From this, the electronic business company that provides office supplies to many industries is a good example of what functional hub in business to business what commerce. Okay, for that they may make a what a hub. That is nothing but they will host the electronic markets and create value by reducing the cost of transaction between sellers and buyers. Okay, that is they will minimize the cost of what transaction between what the sellers and buyers. They will make a what vertical hub and serve as a vertical market or a specific industry. Okay, they will look for it. And next one is community or alliance. Okay, and here community and alliance model is used to achieve high value integration about without hierarchical control. Members and end users play key roles as distinct contributors and customers. Basically, communities produce knowledge with economic value such as Linux, MP3, and open source, and so on. And what do you mean by content? Content is an end product of this model of business to business commerce. It has the purpose of facilitating trading. Okay, revenue can be generated from subscriptions, membership, or advertising. Okay, for example, there are e-companies that sell information about contracts to bit market intelligence and analysis. And action by dynamic price and market. Here actions means what? Bit. Okay, it is a dynamic market handle complex exchanges between buyers and sellers. Okay, in this business to business commerce, these actions are dynamic and efficient mechanism for mediating and brokering in complex marketplaces like supply chain and procure system. Okay, what do you mean by actions? Actions are nothing but bits. Okay, in Tamil we will say it as lelam. Okay, this is a dynamic pricing. Okay, if one will call one price, another will call some increased price. Okay, those who have announced a call, most what maximum prices will be, what their price will be fixed. Yeah. Okay, that's why what it is a dynamic pricing market. How much who is giving more price will be, they will what accept the what product, or they have to make use of the particular what uh, supply chain and the procurement systems there. Okay, these all are the various what business to business transaction model. As we have seen, tools and techniques of business to enterprises, and now what business to business transaction model there. Okay, next class we can see the remaining part of the what these models. Okay, until then, bye.